Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, you guys. So this is another vlog. You want to say hi?
Yeah.
You want to say hi, niece? Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so me and my niece, we're getting ready to go to the grocery
store.
That's right, we're going to the grocery store. Yeah, it's another rainy day. Ooh, no sunshine, y'all. So it's gonna be like this for the next week. Like, I don't know what's going on with all this rain, but let me see, y'all are crooked. But that's what it is. So hopefully we don't get caught in the rain. So that's why I'm gonna go in. I know what I'm getting. I'm going in and we're gonna get out. So I'm making dinner, okay? So what am I gonna make? Fried chicken. I told y'all we love fried chicken. And I haven't made fried chicken in a minute. Like, I have not made fried chicken. Zay wants fried chicken. My mom, my sister, we all want fried chicken. So we're gonna do fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, and a vegetable. Because I think my mom has a can of collard greens, but I think it's only one can. We need more than that. So yeah, I may do the greens. I don't know. And I need to get some hot sauce. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna go to the grocery store, grab the stuff, come back, and I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna try to get that swag in today. Because I went to the shed and I got my my craft supplies to make the swag. Did I say shag the first time?
Yeah.
I said shag.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, swag. So yeah, I want to do that. So I had went and got my supplies, and I think that's all of them. I think I gathered all of them, but yeah. So maybe I'll have time to do that, include it in this video, and yeah. So I guess we're gonna go to the grocery store, and we'll take you guys with us. Mm-hmm.
To the kingdom, so by faith we already won. Whole squad got a war cry. Tell the enemy it ain't a fair fight, 'cause the battle's already lost. Check the scoreboard, yeah. 1,000 fall to my left, 10,000 fall to my right, but I'm with the Most High. You got me set for, you got me set for life. Angels in heaven on my side, bringing the light through the night. But I'm alright. You got me set for, you got me set for life. This the overcomer. We don't look like what we God is great. There's freedom, something like a woman praise. I'm grateful for the loving that you gave. It's so amazing. No matter who we are, we know you'll never change. I'm in awe of how you keep doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of his grace, doing something amazing. Oh, amazing, amazing. Let me tell you all the ways I'm covered. I got strength to run my race as he ushers friends and family, I say, in his shelter. No matter where I turn, there's blessings in my face. I'm in awe of how you keep doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of his grace, doing something amazing. Oh, amazing. He's always doing amazing, something amazing. Grace, unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going. That's unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going. If you've seen it done, changing the impossible to the greatest story told. All I am is nothing short of a miracle. I'm in awe, you're so amazing. Doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of his grace, doing something amazing. Oh, amazing, amazing. Doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of his grace, doing something amazing. Unending love, never failing, overflowing, amazing. Keep going, grace. Unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going, grace. That's unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. For my good, it's all working for my good, for my good, for my good. No, when I lost it all, he returned it 100-fold, 'cause I held on to his promise. If you wonder what the future holds, if it will get better, just rest and take it slow, one foot in front of the other. Every good, perfect thing. Let's see today may bring for my good, for my good. I see it working. It's all working. Yes, it is. For my good, for my good. It's gotta work. It's all working. For my good. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever. He's good, real good. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever. Forever, 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 forever. How long is it forever? Forever. You are so very good. Working for my good. Oh, for my good. For my good. It's all working. It's all working. For my good. My good. For my good. It's gonna work out. It's all working. For my good. Yeah. I can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me. I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I give you my life. I offer my best, a sacrifice. Whatever you ask, morning and night, and every hour that shall pass, it's yours to have and hold, to mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So fill this place. Fill this place. I am a vessel born of your clay. Lord, fill this place.